When did humans migrate out of Africa? Have you ever wondered how humans spread across the globe? The journey begins in Africa, where anatomically modern humans, known as Homo sapiens, first appeared. This fascinating migration was not a single event but a series of movements over tens of thousands of years. Modern humans evolved in Africa around 200,000 years ago. However, the first major migrations out of Africa started approximately 100,000 to 120,000 years ago. These migrations occurred in waves, roughly every 20,000 years. The earliest waves happened between 106,000 and 94,000 years ago, followed by another wave from 89,000 to 73,000 years ago. A third wave occurred between 59,000 and 47,000 years ago, and the last significant wave took place from 45,000 to 29,000 years ago. The wave that stands out the most is the one around 50,000 to 60,000 years ago. This migration led to the widespread colonization of regions like Asia, Europe, Australia, and eventually the Americas. Genetic studies show that all living non-African populations primarily trace their ancestry back to this migration event. Early humans took various routes when they left Africa. One path was through the northern route via the Sinai Peninsula and the Levant, which is the eastern Mediterranean region. Another route was the southern coastal path, crossing the Bab el-Mandeb Strait at the southern end of the Red Sea. This southern route allowed for quicker travel along the coasts of South Asia, eventually reaching Australia and Melanesia, where evidence of human presence dates back to around 55,000 years ago. Climate changes played a vital role in these migrations. Shifts in Earth's axis caused changes in climate and vegetation, creating green corridors that made travel easier. During glacial periods, lower sea levels exposed land bridges and coastal routes, further facilitating movement. These migrations were complex and fluid. Some early groups that left Africa did not survive or left no genetic descendants. In contrast, later waves successfully populated much of the world. The founding populations that left Africa were relatively small, leading to a genetic bottleneck. This is evident in the reduced genetic diversity of non-African populations compared to those in Africa. To sum it up, modern humans began migrating out of Africa around 100,000 years ago in multiple waves. The most impactful migration occurred about 50,000 to 60,000 years ago. These movements were influenced by climate and involved various routes, ultimately leading to the global distribution of Homo sapiens we see today. This aligns with the out of Africa theory in Paleoanthropology, which suggests that all modern humans trace their ancestry back to African origins before spreading worldwide.